Enjoy fresh, crease-free clothes as this Beko tumble dryer offers an automatic anti-creasing function and plenty of other helpful features. Sensor programs measure moisture levels inside the drum and stop your cycle when the desired dryness level is achieved. You will avoid wasting unnecessary energy as well as any damage to your laundry caused by over-drying. With the bright LED display, you can clearly see the time and program settings you've chosen. Stay informed at all times as LED technology will last for the life of your appliance. The anti-creasing function rotates the drum for up to 2 hours after your cycle has finished. This helps reduce wrinkles and creases if your laundry is still sat in the drum after the cycle. Save hours of ironing time and enjoy wearing your favourite outfits sooner. Offering a large 9kg capacity, this sleek Beko tumble dryer in white is perfect for caring for the whole family.